Today I'll be teaching you how to make okpa, that is the Bambara nuts. This food is not only delicious, it's also very nutritious and healthy. So stay tuned, let me teach you how to make this yummy goodness. Hey, this is Dekas. You're welcome to my channel. This is how Bambara nuts looks like, but for you to cook with it, you have to blend it into powdered form. So in the okpa flour, you're going to be adding well blended peppers and also salt to taste, and then palm oil. These are the three things needed for the preparation of this food. You don't need seasoning cubes for this food. You don't need any other flavors for it. The food is going to give you the flavor you want by just using these three major ingredients. So when we're through with adding these things, we start mixing up our okpa. We're going to be mixing till we get a paste like this. Then we start adding in our warm water. Please take note, warm water, not room temperature water, not cold water. It is warm water that is needed for this recipe. And let us also bear in mind that the okpa recipe determines on how you mix your okpa. So we're going to be adding water bit by bit till we get the required texture that we want. So we continue to add this water bit by bit. Anytime we add in this water, we'll make sure we mix properly, and when mixing, we try as much as possible to blend all the lumps. We continue to blend all the lumps in our mixture so that we get a very smooth mixture when we're done with mixing this okpa. Trying to get a perfect okpa might take you a while to do this, but I feel by the time you do this 2 times, you should be able to get the right mixture or be perfect with cooking this meal. So remember to always be putting it bit by bit. If the water becomes too much, after cooking your okpa, you will see it will have 2 textures, soft and very hard ones, so we wouldn't want this. So when you are through with mixing, your okpa should be something close like what you're seeing. Then you also test for salt to make sure that salt is there. Then we'll start putting our okpa in our containers. You can use any wrap you want. I'm using this plastic bag because that was what I was able to lay my hands on. You can also use banana leaves or plantain leaves or even tins for this okpa. Any ways you want to do it, but just any wrap you use gives it a different flavor, which adds to the flavor of okpa. So that is that about this okpa. Then we're going to put it into already boiling water. We're going to be putting our okpa into an already boiling water, and we're going to be cooking it for 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes. I advise you cook it 1 hour 30 minutes, and our okpa is well done, ready to be enjoyed. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate that. Thank you for all your engagement. I'm seeing it. May God bless you all. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye, and see you on my other videos.